Have you ever built a Lego city? You need roads, buildings, traffic signs, and people all in the right places. If everyone is doing the same thing in the same spot, it's a mess. But if each part has its role, the city runs smoothly. That's exactly what organizational structure and design is all about. What is organizational structure? Definition. Organizational structure is the system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of an organization. In simple words, it's how a company is built. Who does what, who reports to whom, and how everything connects. Think of it as a company's skeleton. It holds everything together. Why is structure important? Imagine a school with no principal, no teachers, and no class timetable. Total chaos, right? But when everyone knows their role, the principal leads, teachers teach, and students learn. Everything works like magic. In the same way, a company with the right structure avoids confusion, saves time, makes better decisions, and grows faster. Types of organizational structures. There are many ways to build an organization. Here are the three main types. Functional structure. People are grouped by their jobs. Example, marketing team, sales team, HR team. Divisional structure. The company is divided by products, customers, or locations. Example, Apple has iPhone division, Mac division, and iPad division. Matrix structure, a mix of both. Employees report to two bosses, one for their job and one for a project. Example, a designer might report to the design head and a project manager. What is organizational design? Now, what about organizational design? It's like being the architect of a building. You don't just throw bricks together. You plan it first. Organizational design means creating the best structure so people can work easily, talk clearly, and achieve goals quickly. Famous quote, "Structure follows strategy." Alfred Chandler. That means the way your company is built should match your goals. Kid-friendly example. Let's say you and your friends run a school newspaper. One person writes stories, another designs the pages, someone prints, and someone delivers. If you all know your roles and who to talk to, the newspaper gets done. That's your mini organizational structure in action. A strong structure is like a superhero costume. It gives a business power, protection, and identity. When the right people do the right jobs, everything flows. So next time you see a successful company, remember, it's not luck. It's structure and design behind the scenes. Did you learn something new today? Like this video. Comment with your favorite company structure. Is it Apple? Or maybe your school? Subscribe for more fun lessons.